Hello guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of black screen on the application of Google Wallet. We click on settings, this first page of settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above we will search about Google Wallet. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about Google Wallet. Then you can uninstall your app and you can uninstall it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.